Question number 111. Phytochrome. First option regulates photoperiodic induction of flowering. Second is a colorless pigment. Third becomes active in green light. Fourth has PFR as physiologically inactive form. Phytochrome is a photoreceptor. It's a blue-green colored pigment. So this option is ruled out. It detects the presence of light and it becomes active in blue light. So this option is also ruled out. It has two forms, PR and the PFR. PFR is a physiologically inactive form and PFR is a physiologically active form. So this option is also ruled out. See the first option now. Phytochrome regulates photoperiodic induction of flowering. Yes, it regulates important responses in the plant such as photoperiodic induction of flowering. So this is correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's see the next question. Question number 112. If the apical bud is removed from a plant, then what will happen to it? First option, it will show yellowing of leaves. Second, its growth will stop. Third, it will stop flowering and becomes deficient in zinc. Fourth, it will show more lateral branches and axillary buds are activated. If apical bud is removed from a plant, it means the concentration of auxin decreases because auxin is present at the apex of the plant. When the concentration of auxin decreases, apical dominance will be prevented because it is shown by auxin. What is apical dominance? When the apex is present, the auxin of the apex prevents the proliferation of the lateral branches. Now, it will show yellowing of leaves. No, there is no yellowing of leaves due to reduction in the concentration of auxin. Yellowing of leaves is due to the reduction in the chlorophyll amount. Second, its growth will stop. No. Third, it will stop flowering and becomes deficient in zinc. No. Fourth, it will show more lateral branches and axillary buds are activated. This is true. That if apical bud has been removed, then the concentration of auxin decreases and apical dominance will be prevented. Hence, it will show more lateral branches. So, the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 130. The stimulus of vernalization is received in biennials by first option roots, second leaves, third shoot apex, fourth flowers. What is vernalization? Vernalization is treatment of plants with the cold temperature to induce flowering, and this stimulus is perceived by shoot apex. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 114. A phytohormone which was first isolated from a fungus. First option is basic in nature. Second, helps in seed germination. Third, decreases sugarcane yield. Fourth, is used to promote fruit ripening. First of all, you have to identify the hormone which was isolated from a fungus. It was the gibberellic acid or the gibberellins. It was extracted from a fungus called Gibberella fugiculae. So, these gibberellins are acidic in nature. So, this option is ruled out. They decrease sugarcane yield? No. They increase the sugarcane yield by increasing their length. Fourth, is used to promote fruit ripening. No, ethylene is responsible for the fruit ripening, not the gibberellic acids or the gibberellins. They help in seed germination. Yes, gibberellins help in seed germination by synthesizing the enzymes. So, the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 115. Choose the odd one with respect to the heterophily controlled by intrinsic factors. First option cotton, second coriander, third buttercup, fourth larkspur. A plant can show two types of leaves, but it can be due to environmental factors or it can be due to some intrinsic factor during the developmental growth. So, in cotton, coriander, and larkspur, the heterophily is present. They also show heterophily, but it is due to intrinsic factors. Means it during the development they show heterophily. But buttercup also shows heterophily, but not due to intrinsic factors. It is due to environmental factor. In different environmental conditions, buttercup shows two different types of leaves. In terrestrial conditions, it shows different types of leaves, and in aquatic conditions, it shows different types of leaves. So the odd one with respect to the heterophily controlled by intrinsic factors is buttercup. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question.